In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a TikTok feed to your Shopify store. Unfortunately, since this functionality is not possible through Shopify itself, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the navigation menu on top of the page, which is where you will see this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then underneath social here, you will see TikTok feed. So go ahead, click on TikTok feed, and then that will take you to the TikTok feed widgets page. From here, scroll down a bit, and then you will see this create widget for free button. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the template section for the different TikTok feeds that you can access. Now, as you can see here, you have masonry, masonry dark, a carousel, a masonry colored, small widget, and a different one here that is called a slider. Now, as you can see here on the right hand side, you also have a little preview of what each of these templates is going to look like. In my case, I'm going to go for the carousel here, and in the top right corner here as well, you can also switch to mobile view so you can see what your template is going to look like on a mobile device as well. Once you're happy with your option, simply go ahead and click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then what we need to do now is add the source. That basically means that we need to connect the widget to the relevant TikTok feed. So click on add source, and then here you can either choose a profile or a hashtag. In my case, I'm going to do a profile, and I'm just going to go for Nike, and then click on apply. And then in a couple of seconds, it should be able to fetch all the relevant data here, and you should be able to see it. Here you can also set some more filters, so that way you can filter out any of the content they don't want to be visible on your website. In my case, I'm going to leave it as it is. On the left hand side here, you also have layout, post, appearance, and settings. These are all other customization options here that you have that you can kind of like use to your advantage to customize the widget further. So for example, the accent color, as you can see, is blue, but if I just click on orange here, things will change to orange or yellow. Now in this case, it doesn't really have anything that would be relevant to change the color of, but yeah, that's basically how it works. You also have post style. So if I just switch around, you can see the different post styles. And by the way, any change that you make on the left hand side here will automatically be reflected on the right hand side here, so you can easily see what changes you're making. Now in my case, I'm going to leave it as it is. Once you're happy with the way your widget looks, go ahead and click add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here, and then your widget will be saved. Now what we want to do next is publish the widget. So go ahead, click on publish in the top right corner of the screen here, and then you'll be taken to the plans page. Now this is where we need to choose a plan. Since this is the first widget that we are creating from Elfsight, we can actually go for the free plan right here. As you can see, it supports one widget. However, if you want to unlock more functionalities, or if you want to use more than one widget on your Shopify store, then you can always go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different plans that you can choose from. In my case though, I'm going to go for the free plans. I'm going to click on select, and then you will be taken to this page here, which is where we can now copy the code for the TikTok feed widget, and then head over to our Shopify store so we can integrate it. As you can see, I'm already in my Shopify editor right here, and I'm in the home page actually, which is where I want my TikTok feed to be added. Now underneath template, I'm going to click on add section here, and then this window is going to open up. I'm going to scroll down a bit, and then I'm going to look for custom liquid. Click on that, and then the custom liquid section will be added to your Shopify store. Now here in this box, paste the code we copied previously, give it a couple of seconds to update, and then you should be able to see your TikTok feed right under here. As you can see, there it is, and that's what it looks like. Fully interactive, as you can see. If I just click around like that, and then don't worry about this panel here. This is only visible to us, just in case you want to make any changes to the widget in the future. But yeah, I'm going to click save here, and this is what it looks like. Super nice and clean. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a TikTok feed to your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.